Hi everyone, today we will be discussing lab safety. My name is Caitlin McElroy. Rule 1 with lab safety is that any tools that we are using in the classroom, such as scissors, pencils, pens, markers, laptops, and technology, and more, should not be shared with anyone unless sanitized by the teacher or another adult that is in the classroom beforehand. Rule number 2 is ask yourself if any of the items we are using can cause you harm, and if so, use them carefully, such as scissors, or if we have a plastic cup that can be broken and possibly hurt you too. Rule number 3 is no running throughout the classroom or throughout the school in general. Make sure you are walking. Rule 4 is make sure your shoes are always tied. You don't want to trip and fall and end up hurt. Rule 5 is make sure your area is clean and that nothing is in the aisle for someone to trip on, such as your backpack, your lunchbox, a marker, a pen, a pencil, and your feet. Make sure your feet are under your desk at all times. Rule 6 is make sure all your protective gear is on at all times if needed. Make sure if you have long hair, your hair is tied back. If you're required to have on safety glasses, a lab coat, gloves, or long pants, that you wear that all throughout the entire time the activity is going on. Rule 7 is keep all materials away from your mouth, eyes, nose, and any other part of your face for that matter at all times. And Rule 8 is throw away all materials that are no longer needed in the right way, such as if it's not supposed to go down the drain, make sure that it goes in the trash. And if it's not supposed to go in the trash and you're supposed to pour it down the drain, make sure that it goes down the drain.